Use pry tool to open the lower cover. Disconnect the blue plug and connect the adapter cable. Use the threader to go through the bottom first. Fix the wires on the threader. Pull out the needle threader. Tuck the wires along the edge of the mat. Continue to thread to the outside with the threader. Go outside the seat and find the threader and pull it out. Pull up the rubber cover and pry out the short panel. Pry out the black buckle to take off the bottom plate. Pry out the black buckle. Remove the 2 screws below the armrest. Pry off the red cover on the side and unscrew the screws. Pry the board loose from the bottom left. After die connecting the horn plug, the door panel can be taken off. Disassemble according to the wiring. Unscrew the screws with the teslaaccessories screwdriver. Unscrew the screw in the lower left corner with the Nova socket. Remove the speaker after unplugging it. Pull off the outer rubber sleeve and fixing buckle. The rubber cover on the door is also pulled off. Feed the pulled wire through the hole. Take out the wax and spray it into the sleeve to make it easier to pass the thread. Thread the steel wire into the rubber sleeve first. Secure the wires to the wire with tape. Start pulling the other end. Keep pulling towards the door. Tuck back the rubber sleeve and buckle. Clip the wires around the edge of the speaker and reinstall the speaker. Untie wires. Take out the control box. Get back the door panel. Install back the wires. Feed the speaker wire through the hole. Connect the corresponding wires to the control box. One more socket is used for synchronizing ambient light products. Stick the control box on the door panel with dispaly glue. Replace the door panel. Snap the speaker into place from top to bottom.